इस वक्त कांग्रेस सदर राहुल गांधी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं, आपको सीधे लिए चलते हैं उनकी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में।
One second. The Dassault CEO clearly said, okay, that Anil Ambani got the contract because of land. Correct? You said it. First of all, HAL has more land than is available here. Okay? Second, the land that Mr. Ambani was supposedly having was bought with the money Dassault gave them. Why is the Dassault CEO, number one, why is he lying? Who is he protecting? There's only one person the Dassault CEO is protecting. And that's the person who runs this country. That is Mr. Narendra Modi. So I don't understand what you're saying about walk the talk. This is clear cut, 100%. 284 crores has gone into this man's account. And for absolutely no logical reason other than a kickback. So I'm surprised you're even asking me this question. In fact, I'm shocked that you're asking me such a question.
I'll come back to you. We'll have to give everybody one question.
$200 देखिए, Rafael is a open and shut case. Open and shut case. And there is only one man, एक ही व्यक्ति है. Well, actually दो हैं. Partnership है. Anil Ambani and Narendra Modi. आप मुझे समझाइए, लॉस मेकिंग कंपनी में 8,30,000 रुपए की कंपनी में 284 करोड़ किस लिए डाले गए? What is the logic? What is the logic? Why have they invested in this company? And then that money has been used to buy the land. And the Dassault CEO is saying that the reason we gave Anil Ambani the contract is because he had land. Well, you bought him the land. So you lied. There is some other reason. देखिए, हमारा काम आपको सच्चाई दिखाने का है. Dassault के सीईओ ने कहा, भैया हमारा कारण देने का कारण था कि उनके पास जमीन है, और हमने आपको प्रूफ कर दिया, मीडिया ने प्रूफ कर दिया कि देखिए जमीन कारण नहीं था, कोई और कारण था, क्योंकि जमीन तो Dassault ने खरीदी. Fact of the matter is that Anil Ambani didn't pay for the land. Dassault paid for the land.
1 second, you will have to wait.
और जो आपने इंक्वायरी की बात की, देखिए सीबीआई चीफ को हटाया गया. And obviously CBI chief was looking at these papers. It is obvious that there is enough material in the public domain to nail Mr. Modi. And the CBI chief was removed. So clearly it is a cover-up taking place. Defense minister flies to France. After defense minister flies to France, Rafael CEO says, नहीं भैया देने का कारण था जमीन थी, और ये देखिए सच आ गया बाहर. और एक के बाद हंस रहे हैं आप, एक के बाद, मगर लिखेंगे नहीं आप, है? अच्छा आप लिखते हैं? भैया रणदीप जी इस साइड कैमरा लगाइए प्लीज आप, क्योंकि मतलब या मैं उस साइड जाके बैठूंगा, वही करना पड़ेगा. तो हाँ बताइए. Yes, sorry, we owe you a question.
You said about this cover-up, alleged cover-up that is taking place. We are seeing now that there is a cover-up even on terms of CCS. Like you said, Narendra Modi without consultation of the CCS. There are some reports emanating now before they go to the Supreme Court, because the Chief Justice of India wants the full details, including pricing, and the government is also saying today that we will not disclose pricing because it's a top secret, it's under the official secret act. So in this terms of cover-up and even CCS of the...
Okay, so let me point out something to you. The government of India says pricing is top secret. Okay? Rafael, the Dassault annual report, and we can give you a copy if you want it, has the pricing in it. It's there, black and white. And it shows exactly how much the Indian government paid, number one. I've said that I met Mr. Macron. And I categorically, मैंने उनसे पूछा, भैया आप एक बात बताओ मुझे, यही शब्द प्रयोग किए मैंने, आप मुझे एक बात बताओ, हिंदुस्तान की पब्लिक के पैसे से हवाई जहाज खरीदा जा रहा है और हिंदुस्तान की पब्लिक को आप हवाई जहाज का दाम नहीं बताओगे। और उन्होंने बताया, मैक्रोन ने बोला कि देखिए सीक्रेट पैक्ट में प्राइस है ही नहीं। दोहरा देता हूं, सीक्रेट पैक्ट में प्राइस है ही नहीं। तो देयर इज प्राइस कैनॉट बी पार्ट ऑफ ए सीक्रेट एग्रीमेंट, नंबर वन। नंबर टू, there are 2 points in this whole issue. Number one point is that there is huge corruption and money has been paid, and we have shown now the first 284 crores has been identified and pointed out. Okay, let's get back. Second point is, which is why I keep saying it is open and shut. Rafale was negotiated for a decade. Whole sequence of events took place. It was approved, the plane was tested, Air Force approved it, other planes were tested, and Rafale was given the contract after a huge process. Mr. Narendra Modi personally, not Mr. Parrikar, who very clearly said, and frankly he said it to save himself. Right? He said it to save himself because he knew what was coming. Nobody other than Mr. Modi took this decision. The Parrikar is the head of the defense ministry.
They're saying now CCS.
Huh?
They're now trying to say the CCS.
कांग्रेस सदर राहुल गांधी दिल्ली में प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस से खिताब कर रहे थे। इस मौके पर रफाल मुद्दे पर उन्होंने एक बार फिर से मरकजी सरकार को, मोदी हुकूमत को निशाना बनाया। फिलहाल आगे बढ़ लेते। चीन में 4-5 दिन पहले एक बस हादसे का सीसीटीवी फुटेज सामने आया, जिसमें आप देख सकते हैं कि बस क्यों नदी में जा गिरी। दरअसल बस चलाते हुए ही ड्राइवर और एक लड़की के बीच झड़प हो रही है, जिसके बाद ड्राइवर कंट्रोल खो बैठा और बस नदी में जा गिरी। इस हादसे में 9 लोगों की मौत हुई है। बस में 15 अफराद सवार थे। नदी से बस का ढांचा भी निकाल लिया गया था। इस मामले में जांच जारी है।